welcome to my channel Kitabon ki Duniya. This channel is your place to get a full review of books and authors. We strive to bring you the best information and editorial reviews of the book so that you can be informed and make wise decisions when selecting books to read. Our mission is to provide you with reliable information to help you select the very best books. From new releases to timeless classics, our reviews will help you find the perfect book. With us, discovering your new favorite read is just a click away. Subscribe today and experience the joy of reading. So guys, today we are going to review one of the masterpieces of legendary Urdu writer Sadat Hassan Manto. The book name is Toba Tek Singh. Toba Tek Singh is a short story by Pakistani author Sadat Hassan Manto. The story is set in pre-partition India in 1947, shortly before the partition of India and Pakistan. It follows the story of a sick man, Bishan Singh, who has been living in an asylum for the past 10 years. So the story begins with Bishan Singh being transferred from the lunatic asylum in Lahore in present-day Pakistan to an asylum in Amritsar, India. The transfer is part of the exchange of prisoners of war that takes place after the Red Cliff Line is drawn to divide India and Pakistan. Bishan Singh is confused and upset about the transfer and does not understand why he has to leave his home. Meanwhile, the other inmates cheer when they hear that they will be sent away from the asylum. However, Bishan Singh is confused and saddened, refusing to leave and trying to reason with the authorities. He asks where exactly he is being sent, and the authorities respond by saying he is going to Toba Tek Singh. Bishan Singh is surprised and confused as he has never heard of Toba Tek Singh. He is informed that Toba Tek Singh is a small town in the Punjab area, and it is to be divided between Pakistan and India. Bishan Singh is horrified to hear that he might have to go to the other side of the border. He becomes increasingly agitated and confused and eventually has a nervous breakdown. He begins to shout and cry hysterically, screaming that he wants to stay in Lahore and falls to the ground. The story ends with an image of Bishan Singh lying on the ground in the middle of the line that divided Pakistan and India, unable to decide which side to go to. It is symbolic of the situation of many people who were forced to leave their homes and loved ones during the partition of India and Pakistan.